Hey guys, it's Kim from Runaway Homestead. I'm in the kitchen today making salsa for Perry. I prefer fresh salsa, which I make throughout the summer. He loves Mrs. Wage's salsa. You can buy it in the grocery store. You just follow the directions on the back, and it's pretty easy and it's pretty good. I made this for him many years ago and he's loved it ever since. And last year I did not get around to making any for him, so I wanted it to be first on my list this year. So I'm gonna get the while my jars are hot, I'm gonna get it jarred up, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got all my jars filled, and I filled them to a 1/2 inch head space. They all look good. I'm gonna try to get out any air bubbles. Now I'm going to take a paper towel that's been dipped into vinegar, and I'm just going to wipe the rims. So you don't want anything on that top rim to keep your seal from sealing. Okay. So now I'm gonna add my rings and my lids and get them into the canner. Just want to put them on finger tight. All right, I'm gonna get all my lids and rings on, and then we'll get them into the canner. All right. Now we're gonna get these into the canner. And you definitely want an inch or two above your jars, at least an inch. So we're gonna bring this to a boil and process them. Once it comes to a boil, we'll process it for 40 minutes. Okay, we got our 7 pints of salsa in our water bath. We have at least an inch or a little bit more over the jars. I'm gonna bring this to a boil and let it process for 40 minutes, and then we'll come back. Okay, these have been sitting for 5 minutes with the lid off. So now we're gonna take them out. And hopefully they should be popping. Means they're sealing. Here, one. Okay, so it's the next day. These have set since 6 o'clock, about 6 o'clock yesterday, till it's lunchtime today. I removed the rings and checked to make sure they all sealed, and they did. Put the date and what it is on the jar, and now Perry is gonna have quite a bit of salsa. Hopefully this lasts him a while. So y'all, thanks for watching, and have a blessed day.